Fully prepared and perfected, the fabric now enters one of the most defining moments of its journey, dyeing. This is where a blank, colorless surface is transformed into something expressive, emotional, and alive. The fabric is carefully loaded into advanced dyeing machines, where it begins a slow, controlled immersion into warm, circulating dye liquor. Water opens the cotton fibers, heat activates the chemistry, and precisely measured dyes begin their work. Each movement is calculated, every variable controlled. As the dye flows through the fabric, pigments travel deep into the fiber structure, bonding at a molecular level. Time stretches, color builds, shade deepens. Whether the goal is a soft pastel or an intense saturated tone, the process demands absolute precision. Temperature, pH balance, liquor ratio, and dye concentration are continuously monitored to ensure perfect uniformity from edge to edge and roll to roll. Gradually, the fabric absorbs its new identity. Pale surfaces give way to rich blacks, calm neutrals, vibrant reds, or deep blues, colors that define the emotion and purpose of the final garment. Fixing agents are introduced to permanently lock the dye into the fibers, protecting it against fading from washing, light, and wear. Throughout the process, skilled technicians monitor shade development, making fine adjustments in real time. Small samples are taken, evaluated under controlled lighting, and compared against approved standards. Only when the color reaches exact perfection does the process move forward. Once dyeing is complete, the fabric is gently cooled, allowing the color to settle and stabilize. What emerges is no longer just fabric, it is character, mood, and identity woven into cotton itself. In dyeing, science becomes art. And with every carefully controlled cycle, fabric is transformed into something meant to be seen, felt, and worn. With every fiber now holding color and character, the fabric completes its rebirth. What began as pure white cotton now carries emotion, depth, and purpose, ready to move toward its final form.